Let's drill down a little bit more into the architecture. So we talked about the control plane being the brains of the policy, the public service edges, across all of the continents and across all of the data centers where that policy is enforced. We use a bitmap to push that policy down to the edges, and those edges apply that policy without understanding exactly who the user is, the company the user is coming from. They are scanning engines that scan at highly efficient line speed. The users connect to those. The users will authenticate against their identity providers, and a user can move from one edge to another, and the policy will follow the user. The logging, again, is against those security tokens, is encrypted, is obfuscated and compressed as it is passed down to those logging planes. And those logging planes can then stream those to your SIEM SOC SOAR solution using the log streaming and analog streaming solutions. If we look at the order of execution, so outbound here on the left, and return traffic on the right, so it'll go through the URL filtering, it'll look at the security exceptions. If there's anything to say, bypass security at this point. Then we go through the known malicious URLs, the Cloud App Control Policy, URL filtering policy, the browser control policy, country-based policy, IPS signature. We look at the suspicious content, the peer-to-peer control, and then we'll apply a bandwidth control policy. And when traffic returns, it'll pass back through those engines as well. If it's outbound POST data, we'll do exactly the same thing. The security exceptions are looked at. We'll look at the malicious content. We'll look at the Cloud App Control Policy, the URL filtering policy, browser control, country-based blocking, IPS signature, suspicious content, and malware protection. But we'll also then apply DLP controls, peer-to-peer controls, and bandwidth controls.